Lisa D Delight.
I just wanted to say welcome everybody. Thank you for being here for my new Pampered Chef business launch. I appreciate you so much for being here. I'm also going live in our cooking group, Lisa D's Deluxe cooking group. So I wanted to let you guys know that we hit 500 members over there. And I wanted to say thank you so much to each and every one of you for being there. You could be anywhere on the book, but for you guys to be in my cooking group, I'm so appreciative, and I appreciate all of you and all the love that you guys have been showing me in this Pampered Chef group. Oh my God, I'm so thankful. You guys are the best. Thank you for showing love. I really appreciate it. And everybody who has ordered already, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. And I also wanted to show you guys these awesome products from Pampered Chef. I got so excited. Like, I don't even know what took me so long to join this company. This pot from Pampered Chef I had from 20 years ago. Look, quality. That's why I love this company. You know when you buy those cheap pots, we've all done that, Walmart pots, and you try to cook and you just burn everything up? It's not worth it because then you got to throw it out and buy another pot. To me, it's just me. I'd rather pay the extra money, get a quality pot, and you have it forever and you don't have to worry about it. And even some of Pampered Chef products are lifetime warranty. So if it breaks, I don't know about this one, but if it breaks, you can just tell them and they'll send you a replacement. So I don't know about y'all, but I like quality. It has a top. This is not the top. I don't think this is the top. Child, I got so many pots and pans and stuff, I don't know. But I love this pot. 20 years strong. Still kicking. Anyway, guys, let me show y'all these products. So this is the mandolin. I love this because it's quick, simple, and you know how with a mandolin, a lot of people are scared of regular mandolins because you have to put your hands like over. It's like people have lost fingers. Pampered Chef solved all of that because they covered up the blade so you don't have contact with the blade. This little thing right here, the green plunger thing, it slides the food up and down for you so you don't have to worry about getting cut or anything. Let me show y'all with a potato. The potato, a full potato, fits right in this hopper right here. And then all you have to do is use this. And I forgot to show you the settings. So it has different settings. So 3 settings up here: slice, French, like fry, and then julienne. And then down here it has different settings for thickness from 1 to 8 on the thickness that you want it. So right now I have it on the fry setting and I have it on 8 for like a thick, French fry cut. So then you just put this in here like that. You don't have to worry about your fingers. But look how quick. French fries. McDonald's who? Yummy homemade French fries. Isn't that cool? I love this thing. It's really simple, cool, safe. That's the main part. Safe, you won't be pulling back a nub. I got so excited. Like, I don't know why it took me so long to join this company. When the box came, child, I was like a kid at Christmas time. I was like, girl, you need to get a life. Like, why are you so excited about kitchen products? Like, something is wrong. Because, like, I was dumb happy. I was so excited about this stuff. Because it's fun. I geek out over this stuff, so y'all have to forgive me. Pray for me, pray for me. I geek out over kitchen products. So this, I don't know what I like more. I don't know what my favorite product is yet. This is the manual, what you call it? The manual food chopper, the manual food processor. So I have a big food processor that has all these parts, and child. It's just a chore to bring all that down and clean it and all that stuff. So this is just real quick. It's no plug-in because my other one is a plug-in. This one, you don't have to plug it in, and you can take it with you if you're camping or going to a hotel, wherever you're going. You can bring it with you. You don't have to worry about, you know, anything. It's just nice and quick and easy, and it chops up your stuff for you. So I got in here what I got in here? Some garlic and bell peppers and red onions. And all you do is just put it in there. The blade is in there. Put the top on. And then it's a manual one, so you just go like this real quick. Chop, 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 chop. It chops up the stuff nice for you. And if you want to chop more fine, you just keep chopping. The more you chop, the finer it'll get. But I like this. This is so cool. And then it has this scraper thing it comes with. So you just scrape the sides, get everything off. If you didn't use everything, you still have some left. It comes with the top, and the top fits right on top, and you can store it in your fridge. Ow. Cute, cute, cute. Ooh, 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 ooh. The salad chopper. I love this. Look. Child, look. The salad chopper. I love this thing. It's like, you know, when you want to make a salad, but you don't feel like being bothered. You don't feel like being bothered with chopping everything. This makes it so quick and so easy. Just throw everything in a bowl. Like I got my chicken breast, a grilled chicken breast. I got some cucumbers in there, some bell peppers, some red pepper, some lettuce. Put it all in a bowl, right? Right. Put it all in a bowl. Take your salad chopper. Am I holding it the right way? Yes. And then you just chop everything right in the bowl. Okay, chop everything right in the bowl. Like this. See? Even the chicken. You can make chicken fajitas with this. Slice it up real quick. Even the cucumber. Slice it up. Slice up the cucumber. The onion. So, just keep going until you get everything sliced. I mean the lettuce in last, because if you put it in too early, the lettuce will get chopped too fine. But the whole point is you have a quick, fast salad with this nice little chopper. Look how cute. How cool. I love it. Yes, I'll be trying to get more greens in my diet, child, so that's a whole nother story. A microwavable popcorn maker thingy. So you put the popcorn in here. I watched the video, but I haven't tried it yet. And this is the large one. So you put the popcorn seeds in here, and then it has a place for your butter. So you put the butter in here, and Pampered Chef even has popcorn seasoning. So anyway, you put the butter in there, you put this in the microwave, and it pops the popcorn for you. I think it's healthier than that microwavable popcorn, because you know that stuff got all kinds of chemicals and stuff in it. So this popcorn maker, I can't wait to try this. I would have did it, but I don't have any seeds. I love this stuff. Look, this is something else I had for years. The garlic crust. I love the garlic crust because it's simple and quick. Put the garlic, the whole garlic right in there. Press it, and the garlic comes out the bottom. And then they give you this little thingy to press out the garlic and get it, to clean it and get everything off. Love it. The bomb. This I was so excited to see because I have never seen this before. It's like a what you call it, measuring teaspoon and stuff. So you just slide it back and forth. A teaspoon, half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, whatever you need. You just slide it, and it gives you the different measurements that you need. And this is a smaller one. That's so cool. I've never seen that before. Pampered Chef be rocking, y'all. I don't know what y'all think, but I love it. Look at this can open up. You know how the edges, I don't know about y'all, but I got cut one time with the edges of the can. So this can opener, I haven't tried it before, but I'm gonna try it now with you guys, so we'll see how it goes. But this one, I'm not gonna open this can because I'm not trying to eat no soup right about now, but this little thing right here is to go right here, you know, when they give you the little pulley tab. And so this, you take it and you put it underneath of the pulley tab, and then you pull it up and you pull it towards you. Because I've broken many a nails trying to pull this little thing off the tab thing. So this hooks on, you pull it back towards you, and it pulls the can, the top of the can right off of you. So that's that. But then this one I'm gonna open because I'm gonna eat me some corned beef hash in the morning. So this one, it goes like this. Let me put on my glasses, y'all. I'm trying to be cute. Can't see a thing. All right. This one goes like this. You put it here. So you put it here, and you try to lock it in. You turn it and get it to lock. Okay, so then when you turn it, it locks in. And then after that, you just keep turning. It takes the top off, and then it has this little edge right here, this little thing, this grabber thingy right here. And so you're supposed to stick, see the grabber thingy on the edge? You're supposed to grab it, and then this button right here helps you pull it off. Voila! That was a bit tricky because I didn't know what I was doing. But y'all get the point. Get the can open, it's cute and it works. And you know what you're doing. Yes! Look what I got. I love these little, what you call it, cutting board thingies. The plastic ones. This one is Prep It Up, and it tells you the sizes here: julienne, fine julienne, large dice, medium dice, small dice. Gives you sizes so you can see what you're doing when you're chopping. This is really cool. It's the thumb. Like if you have the tip of your thumb, that's 1 teaspoon, and then your whole thumb is like a half a teaspoon. Your palm is 3 ounces. And then down here, a cup. A cup is your whole fist. And then a handful, that's 1.5 ounces. And 2 handfuls is 30 grams. It's just clever ways that they help you to cook. This is another one. And it's flexible. All this stuff is microwave. All of this stuff is dishwasher safe too. So you just pop it in the dishwasher. You don't have to worry about cleaning up stuff. A Dutch oven. They call it a rock crock. And so it's a quality Dutch oven. I love this. I love cooking in quality pots so you don't mess up your food. With a nice lid. I can't wait to make stuff in this. And they give you a cookbook, not a cookbook, but they give you recipe cards. Shows you like different things you can make in it. Like Mexican pork stew. You can make some roasted vegetable pasta primavera. Spinach seafood chowder. Mocha braised short ribs. This was interesting to me. Mocha braised short ribs. Like it calls for coffee beans. I've never cooked with coffee beans before, but it sounds interesting. Rustic grilled braised chicken, yummy. Also Asian beef stew, deep dish stuffed piccata, French onion mushroom soup. These recipes look yummy. I can't wait to make some of this stuff. You know that we need to get more protein in our diets, and so Pampered Chef has this pea protein. It's gluten-free and vegan and dairy-free and soy-free and stuff, and you can put it in just about anything, your soups, your stews and stuff or whatever, even your pancake mix or whatever, and it gives you your protein that you need for the day. And you don't even taste it because it's flavorless. So it's a good way to sneak in the protein for the kids and the family, and they won't even know it's there, right? I like that. I like it. This is a lemon or a lime squeezer. I have one of these already, but it's the cheap one from Walmart, that yellow one. But this is porcelain or whatever you call it. So this is a quality one, so I don't have to worry about it breaking, and it's firm and sturdy. Love it. I got all this came with my kit. So excited. A mini spatula. Cutting, a mashing, stir thingy, whatever you call it. That's cool. And a Pampered Chef knife. And it's blue to go with my decor. Look how cute. Pampered Chef knife. It's sharp too. See? And it comes with a sleeve. And this is their bar. What do they call it? The bar stone pan something. It's stone. It's a sturdy stone pan. Love that. It's so heavy too. I'm telling you, that's what I love. Quality with Pampered Chef. And that is about it. I think I showed you guys everything. I just wanted to come on and say, hey, show y'all these products. If you would like to do a party, I would highly appreciate it. You would earn discounts and stuff like that. But if not, it's cool too. I'm just happy to share my, what you call it with you. My not a new love, but I just love cooking. So I just wanted to share. Kim is in the building. Does Pampered Chef still sell their pizza stone with a carrier? They do sell, I think it has a carrier, but I know they still sell the pizza stone. One of my friends just brought one. He loves the pizza stone. So he just got one, so they still have that. For me, like, I just love to cook on quality products. It makes a difference to me in the cooking. Because when you use cheap stuff, you have to buy it all over again. What's the point? And when you cook with quality, you know, pots and pans and stuff, you don't have to worry about it burning on you. So I hope you guys check out the products, and, you know, if you see something you like, pick it up. But if not, it's all good. But if you have any questions, hit me up, let me know. Kim said, I had a Pampered Chef pizza stone for 20 years and it was perfectly seasoned. I'm so bummed that the moving company they lost your pizza stone. Oh my God. You know they wrong for that. I'm sorry about that, Kim. But you can pick it up again. Pampered Chef still has the pizza stones for sure. I hope you like seeing the products. Like I said, I geek out over this stuff. I was so excited. It's so much fun to me. Oh, don't forget, hit me up if you need anything, have any questions. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.
I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning all the wood, so I'm rumbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Voices in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning all the wood, so I'm rumbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good.